Hi, my name's Tara Hazle. I'm a technical project manager and the product team lead here at Rev.io, and I will be discussing our new Webhook Framework. Over the past year, we've been thrilled with the adoption rate of our REST API, and we've been focused on adding functionality that will help our service providers stay lean and grow revenue efficiently. We have prioritized making it easy for clients to build new, more robust integrations across various platforms. So that's why we're really excited about our new webhooks functionality. For those who may not be familiar, a webhook is a feature that allows external users to subscribe to events that occur in Rev.io, to be notified of that event and then take action. Instead of constantly having to check if an event has occurred, which is required in the traditional API integration framework, where one system constantly polls another, a webhook will actually notify you that an event has happened and triggers you to take the next step. The first step of getting set up to use webhooks through Rev.io would be to navigate to our API developer portal. This portal houses a ton of information about our API and its capabilities. The developer portal can be found at developers.rev.io. You can locate the webhooks documentation within the guide section at the top, or you can simply click on webhooks at the bottom of the homepage. Here you'll find some general information about webhooks. You can see that the first requirement to utilize webhooks is to set up a webhook receiver with a unique URL that can accept post requests. A webhook receiver is a system of yours that we send notifications to when things happen in Rev.io. There's no limit to how many receivers that you can set up. Once you have your URL, you'll have to register and activate it via an endpoint via the API. There are detailed instructions on how to do that here within the developer portal. Once you activate your receiver, you can then start subscribing to event types that you're interested in. A subscription links one of your receivers to one of our event types. You can subscribe a receiver to as many event types as you'd like. There are detailed instructions on how to send a creation request for a subscription within our developer portal. Once you subscribe to an event type, we'll start sending notifications about that event. Now, of course, you might want to know what event types are currently available to subscribe to. We have 8 billing-related events available today: bill created, charge created, credit created, monthly recurring charges, or MRCs, posted, order created, order status changed, payment created, and rating completed. So you can subscribe to these to know when each of these events take place in your instance. Webhooks can also be viewed and configured via the Rev.io UI within your instance. After you log in as normal, navigate to Settings and then Webhooks. If you're not seeing this option, you can reach out to your Rev.io account manager to set it up. So on this page, you can see the list of receivers that you've set up and their current status. You can also see the webhook events that you have subscribed to and to add additional subscriptions. So on the webhook receivers page that you land on, you can hit the New button to set up a new receiver with a description and a unique URL. You can also see the list of receivers that you already have set up, the URLs, the status, and the number of event types that you've subscribed to. If we take this first one as an example, click on App Options and Subscriptions, you can see that these are the 4 event types that this receiver is subscribed to: the last notification and the stats on each. If you'd like to add more event types, simply click New and the drop-down menu will show the list of event types that you can add. You also have the option to delete. So now that we have the Webhook framework in place with our initial launch, we're always looking for additional feedback and ideas on new Webhook event types that we can continue to add to help with our clients' integration needs. So please reach out with any feedback or ideas. You can either open up a Rev.io idea or a support ticket. Thank you so much.